Hello, welcome to the channel. My name's Pete and today we're going to go up to Goit Stock Waterfall. It's a natural beauty spot. I deliberately come up here at winter because I didn't want to go through all the undergrowth, and I wanted to ensure that the waterfall was falling because we have had a remarkably dry summer. So now we've had plenty of rain, so hopefully it should be in full effect. So it's on the edge of Haddon Moor, just outside Bradford, Willesden area. What I just showed you back there, I think is the remains of an old mill. There used to be 6 mills around here. It used to be the major employer during the 18th century. Most of them are gone now, demolished. I think there's one remaining that's now been turned into a tea rooms. Behind me, looks like a load of rubbish there. It looks like something piled up. I'll have a look at that in a moment with you. It's really nice. There we go, got a nice beck there. Let's have a look down at that. It's currently called Haddon Beck, and then down by the waterfalls it turns into Hallis Beck. It's fed by the Hewenden Reservoir, which isn't too far away from here. That bit I was looking at, it looks like it was just a load of old trees that have been cut down. You never know, there might be some remains of some mills up here on the side of the beck. Who knows? I think we'll be very lucky to see those. So we'll get up to them waterfalls, and when we get up there I'll tell you a bit about that. And I hope you enjoy this episode. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you up there. As you can see, the water's quite aggressive, going round in somewhat of a turmoil. It's a really nice walk. It's a couple of miles. I hope you're enjoying it so far, and we'll continue on our path to walk a little bit further. So walking up to the waterfall, I found this little sluice gate. Clearly man-made. We'll go around the other side. There we go, look. I don't know if it ever went right across. There's no indication on the other side that it did. Bit of a waterfall there. There's nothing on that embankment. And there's nothing here to indicate a mill other than it being a bit flat. Yeah, you can see some rocks around, but they are natural formations. They're not cut out or man-made or done in any sort of precisionness to them, and there's not enough. I've learnt that when these mills go into ruin that are in these areas, it's very rare that they take 100% of it away. Usually they're just left to the annals of time to crumble and fade away themselves. I have got a few videos on old mills that are out in the countryside. If we've just come down a little bit there, that's where that sluice gate is, this round here, mound. And if we come down a bit further, we've got a brick wall there. And up in there, there's a channel with a waterfall. So whether there was something here or not, I don't know. Well, there was something here. Look at this wall here. But who knows what that was. The waterfall we are heading to is beautiful. I know this. However, it's a trap. It's a death trap. It's claimed victims, and I'll tell you about one when we get up there. So you know we've got very much a case of death and beauty here. So if you are planning on coming up this way, if you know where it is, don't go in the water. Right, let's continue on and get to that waterfall. It's easy to see why that's called the Happy Valley. I hope you can hear me over the water. Absolutely beautiful. Now the first one we came past, people go diving there and swimming, although they shouldn't because it is dangerous. 2.5 years ago there was a 14-year-old chap called Mohammed Abu Farron, who couldn't swim, went swimming in there and he was sucked under by the currents of the waterfall. Only 3.5 metres deep, but with that current of that waterfall it's enough to get you under and keep you under, and that's what happened. His body was found face down underwater 7.5 metres away. The dive rescue team said it was one of the hardest recoveries that they've ever done due to the silt and currents, so please be wary when you're going swimming in these places. However, I don't think it's tainted the beauty of the area. It is absolutely beautiful. It's not very well known unless you're a local. I found out about it by accident by speaking to a local, so I came down for a look and I'm glad I did. I'll take a couple of pictures of it, we'll get those up. So thanks for joining me on this. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers for a video that I've got coming up, and you'll find out why when I'm making that video and airing it. So all the best, take care and stay safe.